How to choose the right hair extensions for your hair type. Hair extensions have become one of the most effective ways to transform your hairstyle instantly. Whether you want extra volume, longer hair, fuller edges, or a completely new look, choosing the right hair extensions can make a dramatic difference. However, not every extension method works for every hair type. The wrong choice can lead to discomfort, poor blending, excessive maintenance, or even damage to your natural hair. This complete guide explains exactly how to choose the right hair extensions based on your hair texture, density, lifestyle, and styling goals so you can achieve a flawless, natural-looking result. https://raw-hair-luxury.com/how-to-choose-the-right-hair-extensions-for-hair/#raw-hair-luxury #right hair extensions